Welcome to Chef School. I'm a professional chef with 10 years of culinary experience, and on this channel I share my favorite tried and true recipes with you. Do you love Brussels sprouts but struggle to make them taste amazing? Today I'm showing you a simple Brussels sprout recipe that's crispy, sweet and full of flavor. We are making pan-fried Brussels sprouts with delicious balsamic and honey glaze finish. Stay with me until the end because I will show you the trick to get that perfect golden crust every time. Before we start cooking, let's prep our Brussels sprouts. Start by rinsing them under cold water to remove any dirt or grit. Trim off the tough stem at the bottom of each sprout and peel away any yellow or damaged outer leaves. For this recipe, we want to cut each sprout in half. This ensures even coating and gives us lots of crispy edges when we pan fry them. Over medium-high heat, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil of your choice in a saute pan until the oil is hot but not smoking. Add the Brussels sprouts to the pan. Here is the secret to crispy pan-fried Brussels sprouts. Don't stir them right away. Turn all the sprouts cut side down. Let them sit for 2-3 minutes so a golden crust can form on the bottom. That crust adds so much flavor. Once the sprouts have a golden crust, give a little shake to the pan and add 1 tablespoon of water. Let the water evaporate. Next, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Toss the Brussels sprouts gently, stirring so they are evenly coated. This step creates that perfect honey balsamic glaze finish with a balance of sweet and tangy flavor. Add some butter, let it melt and make sure you shake the pan so you cover all the Brussels sprouts with this beautiful butter. Finally, if you want to add a nutty crunch that pairs beautifully with this caramelized sprout, add 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, cashew nuts or almond flakes and let everything cook for additional 2 to 3 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it, crispy, sweet and tangy balsamic honey glazed Brussels sprouts. This pan-fried Brussels sprouts recipe is perfect as a side for any meal or even as a healthy snack. If you try this Brussels sprout recipe, let me know in the comments below how they turned out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell button for more easy and delicious recipe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.